kitties, please let me know when you have completed your task of sniffing and examining every single square millimeter of that box. They are more interested in the box that the food and the treats came in. Oop. Dewey says it's my box. Dewey loves boxes. So I try to keep at least one for him. He will go to a box. By the way, Tuxedo Kitty is Dewey. He will go to a box before he'll go to a bed or a brand new cat treat, although he's been enjoying it, or any other cuddly, cradly habitat for a kitty to snuggle in. If it's a cardboard box, Dewey's going to be the first to claim it. Although I do hear some, what's going on? What is happening? I should have known it was Willow. Willow-Wisp gets into everything. Look at her tearing that up. Willow-Wisp. See, there's food in the dish already. And it's Wang Chang's dish. Are you going to let her eat your food? You know you're the only one allowed to eat on the dining room table, because you've been spoiled since the very moment you came into our lives. Spoiled rotten. That's why we keep Clorox sanitizer, because more than once a day it is necessary for me to sanitize the glass tabletop and the countertops, because that one is spoiled and allowed to go any place that isn't dangerous. And this one is unruly and won't mind worth a flip. It's very rare that any of the other cats get up onto surfaces where one would rather cats not be. But these two, this one will walk all the way around. He'll hop from there to there. He'll walk there. He'll walk across the handles. Now, if the stove is on, he doesn't, fortunately. Of course, I'm rarely away from the stove if it's on. But he'll walk across the handles, onto that counter, cross the edge of the sink, cross this counter to hop up onto his refrigerator and get into his basket. What's a girl to do? Or in my case, an old lady. Are you finished attempting to open these packages of food that a very, very nice lady sent to you? It's not just for you, you know, it's for everybody. You have to share. So you can't come in and say, oh, this is mine and this is mine, and then turn and show us your booty. Okay? Give us your pretty face. Let's tell the viewers. She's not going to do it. Deuce McKenzie. Deuce, would you... Wang Chang, would you please... Viewers, I get the feeling we're being ignored. Baby Dumpling, hi. Would you please tell... Baby Dumpling? Baby Dumpling, would you please tell the viewers thank you for watching, and thank you for subbing, and thank you for hitting that all notifications bell. And viewers, these aloof creatures have received this wonderful gift, and they won't even take the time. Dewey, would you please take the time to thank the viewers for watching? Thank them for subbing. Please ask them to hit the all notifications bell and ask them to share everywhere that it would be appropriate. Oh, and since you're over here doing what you're doing, are you going to do a trick? I was about to close out, but if you're going to do a trick, oh, I thought he was going to maybe do like a backflip. Anyway, so as you can see, it says right there, welcome to our home. Our being the boss, that's Bob, my hubby, and me, Susan, and all of the crazy kitties who love you all so much. And Julie Newmar has stolen Dewey's box. So, all right, thank you guys so much. This has been Susan with Furry Feline Monsters of Mass Destruction. And we sure do appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. We love you.